Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Asana workload insights for team capacity planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Asana workload insights for team capacity planning, begin by logging into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project or team you want to analyze. Locate the Workload tab in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the Workload tab to access the Workload view. In the Workload view, you will see an overview of team members and their assigned tasks. To enable insights, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the Settings icon to open the configuration options. Within the Settings menu, find the option labeled Enable Workload Insights. Toggle this option on to activate the Insights feature. After enabling it, you will gain access to various metrics regarding team capacity. Review the metrics to understand workload distribution among team members. You can filter the data by adjusting the date range for more specific insights. Take time to analyze individual workloads and identify any potential overloads. If you notice any imbalances, consider redistributing tasks among team members. To do this, click on any team member's name in the workload view. Then, drag and drop tasks from one team member to another as needed. Make sure to save any changes you make to ensure they are applied. Regularly revisit the workload insights to keep track of team capacity and efficiency. Utilize these insights during your planning sessions for better resource allocation. Incorporating workload insights into your routine can greatly enhance project management effectiveness. This approach will help maintain a balanced workload across your team for optimal productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.